this white part right there, you can make that a bubble, and you can push it in like that, and push it out, push it in, push it out, see, like that. So it's a Pop It Ninja Star spinner. Hey guys, what's going on? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this Origami Ninja Star, and it's one piece, and see, this is what it looks like on this side, and it spins really nicely. Check this out. See, it spins a little bit. Maybe it helps to make that point a little bit better. See, just like this. And it can also be a little pop it. See, here's the bubble right here, and you can push it in. See, push it in, and it comes out just like that, or you can push it out. And yeah, but I really like the way it spins. See? Yep, so I'm gonna show you how to make it. Alright, ready, set, here goes. Okay, so let's begin white side up, and let's fold in half. We're gonna make like a square base. Unfold and fold down this way. Alright, and now fold this corner to here. Turn over and fold this corner to here. Alright, now open the pocket right here and bring the sides together like this and flatten it just like that. Okay, and now we're going to do is we're going to fold this point to here, but don't fold it, just make a crease mark like that, and now rotate like this and fold this point to here. And this time you can actually fold it all the way across. Okay, just like this. Now unfold, and now we're gonna sink that corner. So we're gonna completely unfold. Okay, so we're gonna unfold it completely like this, and the square right here, we're gonna make those mountains. So let's pinch them like this. All the way around. See, just like this. And now just make a water bomb base out of the square. Like this. Alright, and bring everything back together. Just like that. Alright, now flatten it. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're going to take this edge and fold it to the crease. And make sure the edge is aligned right here too. Alright, and repeat on this side. Fold this edge to here. Make sure the edge is aligned. Alright, and repeat on this side. Make sure the edges, make sure everything stays together. Okay, just like that. Alright, now comes the little fun step. This is my favorite step of the whole model. So we're gonna unfold it like this, and unfold these flaps as well. And make sure it stays folded right here, and right here. Okay, and now flatten it on the table like this, and we're just gonna flatten it, and this is gonna spread out right here. So you wanna flatten this thing too. So it becomes a square, just like that. So this step is just like in Jeremy Schaefer's Origami Squishy Blob. See, this step is very similar to to one of the steps in there. Yeah, that was a pretty cool step. All right, see, like this, and oh look, we have a bow tie, and it can be like an exploding bow tie. Oh yeah, it's like an exploding bow tie. Look at that. But there's paper around here, so it doesn't look so good. Okay, well, enough with that. Now what we're gonna do is keep it on this side, and we're gonna take this point and we're gonna fold it to the middle, like this. And now unfold, And now we're going to stick it underneath, like this, underneath that edge. Okay, just like this. Oh, and actually, let's unfold that for now. We forgot to do one step first. So unfold that, and we're going to turn over and we're going to make this rotationally symmetric. So just fold it up like this. Fold it to one direction, it's fine. I don't think it matters. I think it just changes the direction of the ninja star. Okay, like this. See, I make sure all the flaps are going in the same direction. Okay, now let's continue. So fold this up, and now stick it under the edge like that, and do that all the way around. Alright, just like that. Okay, so now, this is what it looks like right here. And now we're going to turn it into the ninja star. So this is how we're going to do it. So, what we're going to do is, we're going to take this edge, and we're going to fold it to this edge right here. So fold it on all layers like this, even on the corner. And right here, we're going to squash right here. So we're going to make squash folds so that this raw edge aligns with this edge. And just squash it like that, so it hits that corner of the white square right there. Alright, and now unfold that squash right there, and now we're going to tuck it underneath this edge right here. Like that. Okay, now do that 3 more times. So I'll show you again on this one, then I'll fast forward the other. So let's unfold this flap, just get it out of the way. And take this edge and fold it to this edge, like this. Make that fold nice and sharp. All the way in here too. And squash right here. So the edge of the line right there. And make sure that it hits the corner of the square. Alright, unfold that and stick it underneath, just like that. Alright, and now do that 2 more times. Okay, just like this. So turn it over and look at that. Here we have the ninja star. And yep, and a way to make it spin is that you just fold it in half like this, both ways. And you just make sure it has a little point on the bottom right there so it can spin on. And find a table that's smooth and spin it, just like this. Okay, now it spins okay like that, but if you're kind of worried that these flaps right here kind of touch the table, then there is a way to kind of get rid of them, like this, and this is what you get right there. See, there's still a little bit of white right there, but there's not as much flaps right there, so that's good. So I'm going to show you to do that now. So, it's fine how it is, but it's better when you kind of eliminate the flaps like that. Okay, so take this edge and fold it to this edge. Like this. And now unfold that flap and stick it inside, like this. Okay, and now this part we're gonna fold it inside so that the fold goes in between this point and this point, like this. Don't pay attention to the edge, pay attention to the 2 points. There we go. Kind of tricky, but there. Just do your best. See? So it's not going to align with that edge. See? That's what it's going to look like right there. Yeah, and create that nice and sharp. See? Now, as you can see, there's not really any flaps sticking out, and they shouldn't touch the table when it spins. Okay, now we're going to do that 3 more times. And I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this part. Oh, actually, guess what? When I showed you on the first one, if you unfold that flap and stick it inside, actually, sticking inside wasn't actually that necessary. That's what I did with this model right here. See, I stuck the flap inside. But you can actually actually I really shouldn't have done that. Maybe I'll edit that. Well, I probably won't edit it out, but if you fold it inside though, you'll still end up with a white part right there, which looks okay, but you can actually keep it like this. See? And you can still fold it inside like this in between the 2 points. And the good thing about this is that, look at that, you don't see any white right there. Okay, like this. So you can fold the flap inside or not. Don't fold the flap inside actually. You don't need to do that. Okay. So I'll show you again right here. Just fold it right there, and then you can just stick it inside. I don't know why I had to stick that flap inside like that. That was not necessary at all. Like that, see? Because if you do that, you're still going to see a little bit of white right there. Okay. But now, as you see, there's no flaps sticking out. And now, make sure there's a point right there. And now see if it spins. Oh yeah. See? It spins. Ah! That is pretty cool. Okay, one last time. Yeah, that is a really nice spinner. I really like it. And of course, it can be a little poppet, so this white part right there, you can make that a bubble, and you can push it in like that, and push it out. Push it in, push it out. See, like that. So it's a poppet Ninja Star spinner. So there it is. Alright, let me spin it one more time. Trying to get in the video here. There you go. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed folding this and were able to. And make sure you subscribe and let me know what you think. Alright, see you guys later.